minute. Just wait a minute.
Customer service, Gerald Fitzpatrick speaking. How may I help you?
Didn't I just speak to you?
Listen, my daughter she's not getting any service, and you guys keep giving her the runaround. You keep transferring her everywhere, and you're sending her to different places, and nobody wants to help her.
Sir, is your name on the account? Is your daughter's name on the account? Can I have your name, please?
My daughter,
Yes, and what's her name?
Marcella.
Marcella. Is that with one or two L's?
You have the account in front of you. Why are we doing this again?
My name is Gerald Fitzpatrick.
Marcella, what was the other guy's name?
That was his name. You're the same guy I was talking to, weren't you?
She was just talking to you, and you told her to hit the reset button. You give me a supervisor, or you give me a manager, something other than you.
Or someone come out here and give us a hand. My goodness.
Have you pressed the red reset button?
Yes, I already did. You already told me. We just went through this conversation like 30 seconds ago.
Sir, this is the first I'm speaking with you. Have you pulled the power cord out of the back of the box?
No, we're not pulling the power. It's not a reset. It's not an unplug. Is that all you know how to do? Is that all they tell you? If you don't know what you're doing, give me somebody that knows what they're doing.
Okay, hold on 1 second, sir.
This put me on hold.
This is Patrick Fitzgerald.
I told you to transfer me to a manager.
I just got this call. This call just came to me here.
You're lying. You're the same guy I was just talking to right now.
I don't know what you're talking about, sir. All I know is that error 771 is caused by weather.
Give me a manager.
Is there snow or ice buildup on the dish?
We live in Miami. It's 80 degrees all the time over here.
So there's no ice problem is what you're saying.
It's Miami. There's never a ice problem.
Oh, no.
What?
Dispatch Department, Gerald Fitzpatrick speaking.
Did you just press the hold button, run around your desk, and then come back and answer the phone?
Ma'am, this call was just transferred to me.
Marcella, is that same guy?
Your name?
I've given you my name like 80 times.
Are you Mrs. Marcella?
You guys with each other.
This is Patrick Fitzgerald.
Why are you asking me the same question twice?
I don't know what you're talking about. Now, I need you to examine your cable.
Get in my car and I'm driving over there.
Who is that? Your brother?
That is my father, who is extremely angry.
Oh, he sounds very close in age to you.
Troubleshooting, Gerald Fitzpatrick speaking. Hello? Hello?
You introduce yourself to me one more time, man.
Hello?
I'm gonna kill you, man. If you work at that building, that's Larry Fitzgerald, whatever your name
I
is.
understand you're upset.
I'm gonna go down there. Whoever it is with a fence in it, I'm gonna stab him in the knot.
I understand. Have you checked your LNB?
Maybe it's a low-quality cable.
Sometimes in bad weather conditions,
Gold-plated
that error message
connectors
may
at
occur.
both ends.
Sir, you can also
Some
try
receiver
switching
models
cable
have the
or
reset
cable
button
on
at the
that is
back of the
working for you.
console.
The two of them on the phone.
What are you guys doing over there? You guys sitting on each other's lap, each other.
There's only two of them. Quick.
Phone?
This is Patrick Fitzgerald.
Sir, this is Gerald Fitzpatrick. May I help you?
I'm gonna rip your heart out. You hear me?
You want to rip my heart out?
I want to tear it out of your.
Sir, why would you want to do such a thing to my heart?
We don't want violence here.
You guys are two. You hear me? You two heads sitting around. Your people when they pay good money to your company. You bitches.
My name is Patrick Fitzgerald, sir, and I am the manager.
Your name is Patrick Fitz, bitch.
Okay, sir, we're going to send a service tech out in about 2 hours from right now.
Sir, unfortunately, we don't have anyone available to come out there today. Is that okay?
What? How you just told me two things at the same time?
Okay, I'll tell you what. We're going to take 4 days of television off of your bill. We're going to credit that back to you.
Sir, I'm saying that your bill is overdue.
Oh, thank you for that credit. That's the least you could do.
Sir, I didn't offer any credits. It appears that your account is overdue.
Now you taking it away? When you record these phone calls, you record them, look them back, and then you know that you gave me a credit.
Sir, we don't record these phone calls.
This phone call is being recorded for quality assurance.
There's two of you. There's two of you talking.
I don't hear anybody except for...
Sir, this is Gerald
me.
Fitzpatrick.
This is Patrick
Mr.
Fitzgerald.
How you
Marcella?
guys get away with this?
I understand you're
Patrick
upset. This is Gerald
This
Fitzpatrick.
is Patrick Fitzgerald.
What?
And you've been phone tapped.
And you've been phone tapped.
You've been phone tapped, guys.
You've been phone tapped.
Both of you.
What the?
Tap your ass.
Hey, Eric, your wife Monique put us up to it.
No.
Yes, she's phone tapping both you and your daughter. My name is Scary Jones.
Why are you laughing? What the is going on? What the is wrong with these
What
kids?
is what's going on? Mom is a genius.
Elvis Duran phone tap. Have an idea for a phone tap? Go to elvisduran.com. Click on the phone
Best.
tap. Tell us what you want.
Best phone prank ever. Or best phone prank ever. Oh my god.
And thank you, Bald Freak Ronnie. That was awesome.
Baldy.
Scary. Hey, so let's talk about LifeLock.com. Let me give you another example of hackers